guys? I'm going to be showing you how to turn this two-piece Dragon Ball Z outfit into what you would need for this project is some elastic. I picked this up from Michael's. It cost me about $2.70. Some scissors and some E6000 glue that I had just laying around. You can also get this from Michael's in Walmart. First, I'm going to start off with my bottoms, my joggers. I'm going to go ahead and start cutting these into my shorts. And there we go. I have cut them into shorts. So now I'm going to fix the bottom of the shorts. I'm going to show you guys how I do that. To make sure that your shorts are to the length that you want them at, make sure you try them on again to make sure it is at the length that you would like it at. Now I'm going to tuck in the bottom of the shorts just to give it a more of a nice clean look. Okay, now I'm going to take my E6000 glue and glue this down. And then you want to flip it over and do the same exact thing to the other side. I'm going to go ahead and start with my hoodie. I'm going to take the pocket off, and you want to be careful when you do that. Okay guys, I have got the pocket taken off enough where I can go ahead and cut. I did make some holes here, but that is okay. I'm going to actually cut below the holes. Okay, now that we have this inside out, as you can see where the pocket was at, but that's okay. We're going to go ahead and do like we did our shorts, and we're going to fold that in. So now I'm going to use my E6000 glue again to glue this down. Now that I'm all done with that, I did leave an opening right here to get my elastic through. Now you can use a barbie pin or a safety pin, but I have this blackhead tool that I'm going to use. I'm just going to take my elastic and stick it through. I'll come closer for you guys. If you have a tool that looks like this, you can use this. I'm just going to take my elastic and slip it through. like this. I'm gonna tie it around just so it can give it extra support, like that. Just put a little tie around it. I'm gonna stick this inside of the hole and get it through. And there we go. That did not take long at all. So now I'm just going to pull my elastic through some more, untie it. Now I have my elastic through there. I'm just gonna fix it a little bit and scrunch it out. I'm gonna go ahead and cut. Tie this together. Tuck that in. I'm gonna go ahead and close the hole up. Okay guys, this is how this turned out. As you can see, here's the top. It's scrunchy, it's cute. Look at that. The back. Just throw you on a little bag. I chose to throw me on a little bag by Kappa. And yes guys, this is it. I'm gonna give you guys another quick look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below on how you think I did. And let me know if you guys decide to do it yourself. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys like seeing tutorials like this. Because this was actually fun for me to do. Like I said, this is my first time ever taking a two-piece and making it into a scrunch top and some shorts. And I absolutely love it. So let me know if you guys like seeing videos like this. Make sure you do have your post notification turned on so you don't miss any videos from me. And guys, like I say in all my videos, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.